Number three, not everything is a software space. This is probably one of the bigger ones and a lot less common when you're going to be coming across any kind of research you do when interviewing a Jira admin. Now, Jira ultimately started as an engineering tool, but it's much broader than that. A lot of non-biz or non-IT teams use it, non-technical teams use it. There's a lot of business service management, but the problem is a lot of companies still only use it for that reason, and a lot of admins only worked with engineering teams. And some admins have worked with other teams, but they're a little bit out of date with like what Jira can actually do. So I would actually ask a very simple question of, if an HR team and a marketing team need a new space, which do you set up and why? A good answer is going to be that for marketing, it's always going to be a business space. And for HR, it's always going to be either business or service management, never software for either of these options. If software is mentioned for either of these, or if they mention Kanban board or sprint style boards, that's an immediate red flag. If there's no mention of business in general, that's pretty much a dead giveaway of someone who's only served engineering teams or is a little bit out of date of kind of the new way of Jira and some of the new spaces that have been rolled out. Real quick, I've implemented Jira for over 200 companies. By far, the number one reason teams reach out to us is because they built what they thought was a great solution, only to realize that nobody actually ended up using it. And if that sounds familiar, that's exactly what we help you fix. We're currently taking on new projects 4 to 6 weeks out. And if you want help implementing Jira in a way that your team will actually use, hit the first link in the description below.